How to generate Amazon affiliate link for a specific product on mobile. To generate Amazon affiliate link for a specific product on mobile, first go to Google and then search for Amazon Associate. After that, go to first link. Now make sure you are signed in to Amazon Associate account. So after make sure you are signed in, then go to amazon.com. Now search for a specific product. Go to the product. Now on the top you can see get link option. Just click on that. So if you don't see the get link option, that means you are not desktop version. Make sure you are in desktop version. Just turn it on from the three dot icon, and then on the bottom you can see desktop option, desktop side. Just make it turn on to desktop. After that you will see the get link option. Just click on the get link option, and then you will see affiliate link. Just copy the link and then save it to your notebook or in your share, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.